In a groundbreaking move, the U.S. Department of Justice is taking on one of the biggest names in tech, Google. Reports suggest the DOJ may force Google to sell off its Chrome browser. What led to this, and what's next in this high-stakes battle? Let's break it all down. Earlier this week, Reuters and Bloomberg reported that the DOJ plans to ask a federal judge to force Google, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc., to sell its Chrome browser. This bold step comes after a pivotal court ruling in August 2024, which determined that Google had illegally monopolized the search market through its dominance over tools like Chrome and the Android operating system. At the heart of the DOJ's case is Google's alleged monopolistic behavior. Prosecutors argue that Google leveraged exclusive agreements to pay billions of dollars annually to companies like Apple, ensuring that its search engine remained the default option on popular devices. These practices, they claim, stifled competition and limited consumer choice. Google is pushing back. Leanne Mulholland, Vice President of Regulatory Affairs at Google, called the DOJ's plan a radical agenda. She argues that it oversteps the boundaries of the case and would ultimately harm consumers. Google insists that its search engine's success comes down to quality and innovation, not unfair practices. The timing of this case is significant. The Biden administration has been keen on reining in big tech's power, making this case a focal point of its antitrust agenda. Adding a layer of complexity, Donald Trump's re-election to the presidency could impact the case. While Trump previously suggested prosecuting Google, he later questioned whether breaking up the company was the right approach. If the court sides with the DOJ, Google could face unprecedented changes. Divesting Chrome, one of the world's most popular web browsers, would mark a historic shift for the company. Prosecutors have also floated other remedies such as ending exclusive agreements or separating the Android operating system from Google's core business. Meanwhile, Google maintains that consumers already have the power to switch search engines and browsers. Competitors like Amazon and Microsoft are cited as proof of a competitive landscape. But if Chrome is sold off, how would this reshape the internet ecosystem? That's the question everyone is asking. As the legal battle continues, all eyes are on Judge Amit Mehta, who is expected to issue a final ruling by mid-2025. Whether Chrome remains a Google product or not, this case is set to redefine the rules of competition in the tech world. What do you think? Is this a step toward fairness, or could it go too far?